Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be cooking curry chicken. Now this baked version takes a traditional curry chicken we loved and give it a simple twist. It's seasoned with bold spices and then cooked in the oven. It is hands down one of the best curry I've ever cooked. So let's get to it. As you see here, I'm using two different kind of potatoes. I'll be using regular potatoes and this right here, boniatos or sweet potatoes. I don't know if you guys ever had sweet potato in your curry, but delish. All right, so slice some onions, dice some garlic, and not to worry, everything I use will be in the description box. So here we're making our curry slurry, which is our curry masala, cumin, some green seasoning and water. We're gonna mix that and set aside. Now here you guys are going to see my well seasoned chicken leg. Yes, we're using the entire leg today guys. All right, this is my potatoes and the rest of my aromatics. All right, so next what we'll do is pour some oil into a preheated pot, and then we're gonna add some oil, just enough to sear the chicken. All right, you cannot sear your chicken, but for this recipe I really would love you guys to sear your chicken. So we're gonna sear our chicken for 4 minutes on both sides. Looks and smells absolutely delish here. Then we are going to set this aside, and I'm going to use the largest Pyrex I have right now. It kind of looks small, but we're going to make it work. All right, and now we are going to build our curry. So to the very pan, you're going to add just a little bit more oil. Then you're going to fry your curry slurry for about 2 minutes. Then add your rest of your aromatics, onion, garlic, ginger, celery, and pepper. Fry it up for an additional 2 minutes. Then go in with your potatoes. Season, make sure everything is really well coated. After about 3 to 4 minutes, then you can add your water. Now you're gonna stir and adjust your seasoning. Now we want to do all the adjustments here, because when we put it into the Pyrex with the chicken legs, we're not going to do any adjusting except the garnish. All right, so that was good for me, and I'm pouring it into my Pyrex as I mentioned. Even though it's a large Pyrex, the legs, there are so many, so it kind of looks small, but that's all right. We're going to cover and bake in a 350 for about 40 to 45 minutes. All right, until the legs are just falling off with the bone. This was done divine. I can't tell you how delicious this was. I mean, so I hope you guys are going to try baking your curry chicken one day. I love curry so much. I'm a Guyanese, so yes. Yeah, so I do hope you guys like this video. Give it a try. Do not forget to subscribe. Be kind to yourself and each other. Love you guys. Bye bye.